If you're in the market for a powerful yet budget-friendly chainsaw, you've come to the right place. Whether you're cutting firewood, pruning trees, or handling heavy-duty yard work, a high-quality chainsaw can make all the difference. But with so many options available, how do you choose the best one that delivers excellent performance without breaking the bank? That's exactly what we're going to cover in today's video. Welcome to your channel name, your go-to source for expert product reviews. In this video, we're reviewing the best budget chainsaws of 2025, featuring the most reliable and affordable options available right now. We've tested and analyzed some of the top budget chainsaws to determine which ones offer the best power, durability, and ease of use. From battery power to electric and gas chainsaws, we've got you covered. Whether you need a lightweight option for occasional yard work or a robust tool for more demanding tasks, we'll help you find the perfect fit. Make sure to watch until the end to see which chainsaw stands out as the best overall. And here's an important tip. Check the description box and the first comment for exclusive product links and the best deals available. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the best tools and equipment in 2025. Now let's dive into our top picks. DeWalt DCCS 620B Compact Chainsaw. When it comes to reliability, portability, and efficiency, the DeWalt DCCS 620B Compact Chainsaw is a top-tier choice. This 20-watt max cordless chainsaw is designed for easy maneuverability, making it perfect for homeowners, DIYers, and professionals who need a lightweight yet powerful cutting tool. The high-efficiency brushless motor ensures longer runtime and increased durability, while the 12-inch bar makes quick work of small to medium-sized cutting tasks. One of its standout features is the tool-free chain tensioning system, allowing you to make adjustments on the go without the need for extra tools. Additionally, the lightweight design at only 8.8 pounds reduces fatigue, making it comfortable for extended use. If you need a cordless chainsaw that delivers power without the hassle of gas, this DeWalt model is an excellent investment. Check the description and first comment for the best deals on this chainsaw. Greenworks 12-inch 40V cordless chainsaw. For homeowners looking for an affordable yet efficient chainsaw, the Greenworks 12-inch 40V cordless chainsaw is a game changer. This chainsaw features a 40V lithium-ion battery, delivering enough power for light to medium-duty cutting tasks, like trimming branches and cutting small logs. What makes this model stand out is its automatic oiler, which keeps the bar and chain lubricated, extending their lifespan and improving cutting performance. The push-button start ensures hassle-free operation, while the lightweight design enhances maneuverability. One of the biggest advantages of the Greenworks chainsaw is its low noise and zero emissions, making it an environmentally friendly alternative to gas-powered models. If you want a budget chainsaw that's easy to handle and perfect for household tasks, this is the one to go for. Check the description box for the best discounts. Works WG 303.1 Powered Chainsaw. If you prefer an electric chainsaw with consistent power, the Works WG 303.1 Powered Chainsaw is a fantastic choice. Featuring a 14.5 amp motor, this chainsaw delivers gas-like performance without the maintenance or fuel costs. The 16-inch bar allows for larger cuts, making it a great option for cutting firewood and felling small trees. A standout feature is the auto-tension chain system, which prevents over-tightening and extends the chain's lifespan. Plus, the built-in safety brake ensures user protection by stopping the chain in case of kickback. The lightweight build and ergonomic handle make it comfortable to use for extended periods. If you want an affordable, plug-and-play chainsaw with minimal upkeep, the Works WG 303.1 is one of the best options. Check the first comment for the best deals. Earthwise CS 33016 Electric Corded Chainsaw. For those on a tight budget, the Earthwise CS 33016 Electric Corded Chainsaw offers exceptional value for money. With a 12-amp motor and a 16-inch bar, this chainsaw is ideal for homeowners who need an affordable yet efficient tool for yard work. Its automatic oiling system ensures smooth operation, while the tool-free chain tensioning allows for quick and easy adjustments. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle, and the wraparound handle provides better control for different cutting angles. Though it requires a power outlet, this chainsaw is an excellent low-maintenance alternative to gas models. If you're looking for an effective and budget-friendly electric chainsaw, the Earthwise CS 33016 is a solid pick. Check the description box for the latest price. Craftsman CMX GSAMA 426S2 Cycle Chainsaw. If you need the power of a gas chainsaw at an affordable price, the Craftsman CMX GSAMA 426S is an excellent choice. Featuring a 42cc full-crank 2-cycle engine, this chainsaw delivers impressive cutting power for heavy-duty tasks. The 16-inch bar and chain allow for larger cuts, making it perfect for cutting firewood, felling small trees, and tackling tougher jobs. One of its biggest advantages is the anti-vibration handle, which reduces user fatigue during extended use. Additionally, the easy pull start system ensures quick ignition, eliminating the common hassle of gas chainsaws. If you're looking for a budget-friendly gas-powered chainsaw with outstanding performance, this Craftsman model is highly recommended. Check the first comment and description for the latest deals. And there you have it, our list of the best budget chainsaws of 2025. Each of these chainsaws offers unique features and benefits, catering to different needs and budgets. Whether you're looking for a lightweight cordless option, a powerful gas chainsaw, or an easy-to-use electric model, we've covered the best options available. So which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to check the description box and the first comment for the best product links and deals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.